Good afternoon. My name is Steve Bacon, and I am your host from In the Garage with Bacon in Forest Grove, Oregon. And what we have here today is a 2001 Chevy 2500 pickup. Now this just isn't any pickup. This is a truck that is 25 inches taller than stock, and it was specifically built for Glamis down in California. And so this is a sand truck. This is a high suspension sand truck that is a pre-runner. This is a two-wheel drive vehicle designed for sand. This is not designed for four-wheeling up in the woods and going up in the mountains, but this truck has a specific purpose. One, for the sand, and two, to show off, because this truck is big and it commands attention everywhere that it goes. So if you take a look at the amount of money that's been put into the suspension in it, this is just unreal. This truck is so high, I can't even barely reach up to the hood. This thing is unbelievable. You have custom suspension. This whole entire frame has been powder coated. You've got 44-inch tires. You've got custom wheels. Also, a thing that I might add is this only has 39,000 original miles. So this is not 139,000 or 239. This is 39,000 original miles. Now, all of this paintwork is all done in red and white pearl. It's got a skull and flames in the side of it. And if you decide that you're going to get up inside of it, well, the running board comes down for you, so it makes it a lot easier to get in. I'm a little short, and I can get in this truck without any problems. Let's go ahead and fire it up and see how it sounds. So that's a Vortec 6.0 liter, same that they put in the Corvettes. It's a gas engine, runs exceptionally well. If you come back to the rear, you can see all of the custom suspension that's in the back. And if you look at all the long travel bars that's going across with the heavy reinforcement, custom rear end, this is just unbelievable. Now let's say that you have a boat, or let's say you have a toy hauler, travel trailer, jet skis, you want to take it to the lake for the day, take it to the river. Well, you can hook right on with this receiver hitch. It comes off, you can unbolt it. You got a 7-way, and you got a brake controller up front, so you can control the brakes on the trailer. So come around to the back, and to the side, you can see every attention to detail on this truck is unbelievable. If you look, let's go around to the other side. We can take a look inside, and let's pop the hood and check out the engine. So I'm not sure if the camera's going to be able to reach up there, but give it a shot. This engine is in excellent condition. It looks like it's been very well taken care of, very well maintained. It's got two front frame supports that goes one in front of the radiator and one towards the back of the engine. Everything is in premium condition. It's got factory, looks like the factory running gear. It does have a Vortec cold air intake and custom headers, custom exhaust all the way throughout. Let's go ahead and shut this, and let's take it for a little drive and see how it handles. If you guys have any questions, feel free to email, and let me know what your thoughts are on this truck.